When it comes to controlling large industrial motors, the star-delta starter is a time-tested method that reduces starting current and prevents motor damage. For engineers and technicians working in electrical design or automation, having a clear and accurate wiring diagram is essential. In this video, we'll explore how to create a professional star-delta starter motor wiring diagram using Wondershare EdrawMax. A star-delta starter is essentially a motor control method that initially connects the motor windings in a star configuration to reduce voltage and current at startup. After a short delay, it switches to a delta configuration for normal running. This switching is managed through contactors, timers, and protective devices like overload relays. To begin, launch EdrawMax on your desktop or access it through your browser. Sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account to unlock the full suite of tools and extensive symbol libraries designed specifically for electrical engineering. From the dashboard, click New and select Electrical Diagram to open a dedicated workspace for power and control circuits. This ensures you have all the right components and a clean canvas for your motor wiring diagram. Start by dragging and dropping the three-phase power supply and the three-phase induction motor symbols onto the canvas. Position the power supply on the left and the motor on the right to create a logical left-to-right flow. Next, add 3 contactors: the main contactor, star contactor, and delta contactor. These devices control how the motor windings are connected during startup and running conditions. Place them between the power supply and the motor for clear visibility. Insert an overload relay symbol between the power supply and motor to protect the system from overcurrent, which could cause serious motor damage. Then add a timer relay between the star and delta contactors. This timer automates the switch from star to delta after the motor reaches a certain speed. Now connect the wiring. Link the 3-phase power supply to the main contactor, then branch connections to the star and delta contactors. Finally, wire the motor terminals appropriately to each contactor to complete the power circuit. For the control circuit, add a normally open start push button and a stop push button. These control the energizing of the contactors through the timer relay, ensuring smooth motor startup and safe shutdown. Label each component using the text tool. Clear labeling helps when troubleshooting or explaining the circuit to colleagues or clients. Organize the layout neatly, adjusting wire paths for clarity, and apply color codes such as red for live wires, black for neutral, and green/yellow for ground, following electrical standards. Once everything is correctly wired and labeled, save your diagram by clicking File and then Save As. EdrawMax supports exporting in PNG, PDF, or SVG formats, which makes it easy to print or share your work with your team. Creating a well-organized star-delta starter motor wiring diagram not only improves your documentation, but also enhances safety and efficiency in motor control applications. Visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping your thoughts today with EdrawMax.